Here's how to set up auto billing in FreshBooks step by step. Start by signing into your FreshBooks account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Invoices. This opens the area where you can manage invoices that are already in progress and create new ones for clients. From here, either create a new invoice or open an existing invoice that you want to use for recurring billing. If you are creating a new one, enter the invoice details as you normally would before setting the schedule. If you are opening an existing invoice, review it first so you are applying recurring billing to the correct client and amount. With the invoice open, move to the Settings panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click Make Recurring. This changes the invoice from a one-time bill into one that follows a repeat schedule. Next, choose how often the invoice should repeat. FreshBooks gives you options such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the timing that matches how often this client should receive the invoice. Then set the next issue date. This date controls when the recurring series begins, so make sure it matches the first date you want FreshBooks to generate the invoice. After that, choose how long the recurring invoice should continue. You can set it to run indefinitely if there is no planned end date, or choose a specific number of invoices if the billing should stop after a certain count. This is the point where you define whether the billing cycle is ongoing or limited. Now go to the Delivery Options section. There, select Send Invoices Automatically. This tells FreshBooks to send each invoice on the schedule you just created instead of leaving it in draft form for manual review. If this option is not selected, the invoices may still be generated, but they will not be sent automatically. When those settings are in place, click Done. Then click Save to apply the recurring schedule to the invoice. Saving is what locks in the repeat timing, delivery setting, and duration you selected. If you also want clients to be charged automatically, there is one more setting to confirm on the invoice. Enable Accept Online Payments. Then make sure your client has a saved payment method attached to their account. Both parts matter. Online payments must be turned on for the invoice, and the client must already have a payment method saved, or FreshBooks will not be able to process the automatic charge. Once this is set, FreshBooks will automatically generate and send recurring invoices based on your schedule, and clients with online payments enabled and a saved payment method can be billed automatically. Your FreshBooks invoice is now set up for recurring billing and automatic delivery, with auto charging enabled if online payments are active.